Good morning once again all of you. So let us see question number 2 of the same exercise 6.1. So in this question number 2, lines XY and MN intersect at O. As you can see in this figure, two lines, one is XY and other one is MN. These two lines intersect. This line and this line intersects at the point O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree. So POY, that means this angle is how much? 90 degree. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. That means the ratio of these two angles, we don't know the values, we don't know the measures, but the ratio of the measures of these two angles is 2 is to 3. Find the measure of angle C. So it is given to us angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Second part is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. That means the ratio of these two angles, means if you divide these two angles, it will be 2 is to 3. So whenever you get such type of questions, what you have to do, let us take the first as A equal to 2x and B equal to, you take as 3y. Sorry, not 3y, it is 3x. Okay. So if something is given in the ratio form, always take the first one as let A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Okay. Okay, now you see here, that means this angle is 2x and angle B is 3x. Now we need to find the value of angle C. Now let us find the value of A and B. Now you can see here the sum of these two angles A and B, if you add it, it is equal to a right angle. So we can say angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? 90 degree. So we can say A plus B equal to 90 degree. Now what we have taken A? A is 2x and B is how much? 3x. So 2x plus 3x is 5x equal to 90. So we will get x equal to 90 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 40. So 5 8 ja 40. So x you got how much as? X we got the value as 18 degree. So what will be our value of A? A is 2x. It means 2 into 18, that is 36. And similarly B will be, B is 3x. So we can write 3 into 18 degree. So we will get 54. Okay. Now we have found the value of angle A and B. But in the question it is asked find the measure of angle C. That means we have to find the measure of this angle. Now if you see nicely, this is a straight line. Correct? So this is a straight line. It means sum of this angle and this angle will give you 180 degree. Or we can say angle B plus angle C is equal to, so we can write, so angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180 degree. Because if I add these two angles, I will get a straight angle. Okay. So how much we got angle B as? 54. So replace 54 plus angle C equal to 180. So angle angle C will be how much? 180 minus 54. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 carried. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1. So our final answer, that is the measure of angle C, is how much? 126 degree. So in this question we have seen the concept of ratio and proportion ratio. So whenever you encounter such problems where ratios are given in this manner, take first one as 2x or 3x or any number. So you proceed in this pattern. Okay, thank you.